Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 205 pounds eating ketogenically and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Welcome everyone, Keto Reverse Diet. So far so good with everything this week. I have kept my calories completely in check. I've kept everything exactly how I planned. So it's going pretty well. I'm feeling pretty good actually. I'm feeling okay. So I'm definitely looking forward to the weekend. I have one more day today and tomorrow of my cutting macros, and then I will be adding a little bit of calories this weekend. I was just going to do Quest bars, but after eating my Quest bar yesterday, I think maybe I'll do something else. I don't know. We'll see, but I will keep you updated. And I have a fun new product that I'm going to share with you guys on my Saturday video. So I'm looking forward to that, and we'll see you guys in a little while. They saw me. Hey, Shadow, my best girl. You're always the first one to follow me, aren't you? Tick, 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 tickies, ticks. Well, that was a crazy morning. It's kind of crazy trying to figure out online classes, and now we have an in-person class that has to be done in person, and we have to leave in about a half an hour. So I am quickly eating my first meal, even though it's only noon, because I have to leave by 12:30 to go to this class. So I'm going to show you what I'm eating today. So today I am having 2 fried eggs, 47 grams, I think it was. I wish it was less than that, but 47 grams of bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese fried up, and a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with, today it's, I think it's watermelon lemonade. It's not my favorite, but I'm out of all my good ones because tomorrow is shopping day. And 2 sugar-free Jellos. We're all ready to go. You guys ready to go to the park? You haven't gone to the park since COVID. I'm a little nervous about letting them play at the park, but I really don't have a choice. It's either that or just take Virginia to her class and leave them here to be with Oliver while all the other kids get to go play. Oh, okay. So anyway, we gotta get going, but see you guys when we get over there. Last year? Yeah? When the virus was not here? You're so cute. Okay, run. Go and play. You're right, we did. You're right. You have a good memory, buddy. That was a long time ago. Okay, come back when it's time for class, like 2 minutes, Virginia. My daughter's doing her math class, so it's kind of loud in here, but it's 4 o'clock, having this. And my last 2 of these. Alright guys, well it's 8 o'clock and admittedly I am having a rough go. I can't seem to concentrate. I feel like I'm dehydrated, but I've had all my Solé water. I don't know if I'm going through another whoosh. Wouldn't that be nice if the scale went down tomorrow? I don't know if it's the calorie deficit's just getting to me. Probably it's more that than anything. I'm really trying to stick to the plan and be super perfect with it so that I can't say that I didn't, give it the best try ever, but it is hard. I've had a pretty good week so far, but today is really rough. It's just been a long day. I've had a lot going on, and anyway, I'm about to take another dose of Solé water, which I know will help me. I just didn't want to take 5 doses. I don't really like taking 5. It's so much sodium, but sometimes like this, I just feel like I need more. I don't know. Anyway, I'm having a real hard time getting the videos edited and uploaded for you guys, and keeping up with my other channels because my computer is being so dumb. It's not wanting to let me export more than one video. And it takes hours and hours and hours to export. So normally I would export overnight, but now I have like 2 or 3 videos I gotta export overnight, and I can't seem to figure out how to get the program to actually do that again. It used to, but my computer's being dumb and it's not doing it anymore. So if you're seeing this video way super late, and not the day after I did it, or the 2 days after I did it, or whatever, now you know. My computer's being dumb, and I picked a really cruddy time to do this. I might have to start editing these on my phone, which might be the better idea. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have for dinner, and then I'm eating. Hungry. Right, so tonight I am having cream soup, and we are a day out from payday, and we were really low on chicken, and I want to make sure my kids had enough chicken, so I only went for half the chicken that I normally do. Normally I'll do like 10 ounces of chicken, at least 8 in a soup like this, but as you can see, I don't have that much. I've got 5 ounces of chicken in here, 8 baby carrots, which is about 80 grams, 70 grams of celery, 40 grams of onion, 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Then, to make up for the protein, I'm just going to go ahead and have one of these, since I got a whole box of them, and, you know, I love these, so, yeah. Now, the lemon flavor is not fantastic, admittedly, but it's better than nothing, and it will fill up my protein for the night. My carbs will be 19 net, and my calories will be 1289, with my protein being about 123 and my fats being 70. If I remember that all right. Hey, I must not be doing that bad if I can remember all those numbers, right? All right, well, I'll catch you guys in a little while before I go to bed, after hopefully I get my computer to export a video. Please, please. Okay, so I feel a lot better now. Maybe it really was the sodium and the fact that I hadn't eaten anything in a little while, but man, I feel like a ton better. So now I'm sitting down to try and deal with this stinking computer again. It's giving me a headache. I really need to buy a new video card for it, and a new, I don't know, what do you call it, the i9 or i7 thing. My son's like a computer guy, and he keeps telling me all these things I need to buy, and I can't. I got kids and homeschool and this stuff. I'm gonna make myself do it soon. Probably not until it completely dies and makes me, though. Maybe then I'll still just edit on my phone. I mean, why the heck not? All right, well, I gotta get to work. Talk to you guys in a minute. All right, so my magnesium and my ritual vitamin going down the hatch. All righty, guys, it's 10:30. Solé dose number 4 going down the hatch. It drips off the bottom. Just so you know, I'm not always just dribbling everywhere. It always looks like I'm dumping it down my shirt. Well, I am, but it's coming out the bottom because it's a lid. I just don't. Yeah, okay, anyway. So it's only 10:30 and I just finished editing 2 very long videos. Be proud, guys. Now, exporting them is going to be another issue, so I apologize over and over for how long it took me to get the DEXA scan video out. I have had nothing but trouble with this video, and I don't even know if I'm gonna get it out tomorrow, and the video that I'm posting tomorrow says you should go watch it, but you can't. So I'm working on it. I really, really am. And I'm still trying to figure out how I'm coping with all of these daily videos fitting in with my regular videos. Like, there's so many videos. Like, you're never gonna watch that many videos. Already my views are going, bleh. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing this whole vlog thing. I don't know, we'll see. I might do something similar, but do it less often. If that makes sense. Anyway, that's where my head is at right now. I am having a pretty tired, down day. Here's hoping that means I'll be down on the scale tomorrow. Wouldn't that be nice? I'd love to see that, especially as I'm going into my ovulation week, which you guys know means the scale is going. But whatever, doesn't really matter because I'm on reverse and my brain is on up, not down. So I'm good with it. I'm fine with it. It's chill. But I am looking forward to Saturday when I can have some more calories because, like I said, I decided to do the 1300 this week so that I could have a bigger amount of calories on the weekend and like really, you know, have something. I have something in store for that. But it has been harder than I thought to stay under the 1300, but I have done really well this week. And maybe that's why I'm feeling kind of blah, because my calories are so low and I'm just so over it. Because 14 weeks of basically 1300 calories is kind of rough when you are as small as I am now. But we are gonna make it through, and then after the weekend, I am supposed to add 100 calories instead of 50. So I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna do the weekend warrior thing and save up for something yummy in the weekend, or if I am just gonna go ahead and add that extra 100 because I could really use it. So I haven't quite decided. We will see where it goes. You know, like my brain goes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and all over the place, trying to decide what to do with my whole thing. So this is all new. It's all an experiment. I'm glad you're here with me, and I hope it's not too boring. We'll see y'all tomorrow.